Good morning. This is a video about something that I designed. I've used these in the past, though I didn't make them. Basically what it is it's a non-polarized LED circuit board. The idea is that one can plug this up to either AC or DC and not have to worry about what direction your LED is connected. Can be useful in a circuit where you might want to reverse polarity of a DC motor and you don't want to have to have a separate light or some other circuit. You just put this in here and you can reverse the polarity. You can have any voltages you want between I think it's around 4 or 5 volts all the way up to about 19, and also you can substitute it in for any AC circuits, although I think you'd have to derate the circuit a little bit maybe, but I don't know, probably not. Anyways, I designed this in Easy EDA using the PCB software. What I did was I put 10 of these on a board and then just had them make up 5 boards, so I've got 50 of them now. And this has saved me a ton of money, considering you can buy these things, but you're going to pay quite a lot of money for them. So what I'm going to do is just solder one real quick. Well, we're talking about SMD stuff, so real quick is a relative term. If I was soldering point to point or a normal circuit board, it would be real quick. But not this. Just getting it ready for solder is a bit of a pain. The flux in this has an interesting smell. It almost smells like cinnamon or nutmeg or something. So the way this works, and oh boy, see, I've already lost one of my components. Oh, nope, there it is. The way this works is we have the 2 terminals that come in, and right here you can hook up AC or DC, either polarity, doesn't matter. And that goes through this little rectifier and comes out as DC, then goes under the board and goes through a resistor, and I probably should have put the resistor first, but I don't know if it matters too much. Not the prettiest soldering job I've done on these. I've actually done more from this. So, I mean, that's basically it. The only thing you have to do now is add a diode. You can add just a regular 5 or 3 millimeter diode, or you could even put a surface mount diode on there. Now, to give an idea of scale, I've got one that I've already trimmed. When I designed these, I had them drill holes before I figured out how to do a V-notch. I had them drill holes, but I accidentally left the circuit board, set the circuit board too thick, and so these don't snap off. I have to use a pair of wire cutters or diagonal dikes or something to snip them off, and then you get something like this. And for scale, there's a mini fuse, and here's a more normal size fuse, and there's a glass fuse. Alright, so now let's show you one of these in action. Whoa! Testing out my new camera mount, which is a little bouncy. Alright, so first let's synchronize my two cameras. Let me get the second one going. And you can see we have about 4 volts on the power supply, and we're just going to hook this up. We're not going to make any attempt to figure out which direction. And at 4 volts we have power. So now we're just going to up the voltage. And you'll notice that the draw is 20 milliamps, and as long as it stays like that, you can go up. So 21 volts DC is probably the max that you would want to go on this. The resistor is an 820 ohm, and the tantalum capacitor is 0.1 microfarad for smoothing. No, it's true. So there you go. Non-polarized circuit board for LEDs. Thanks for watching.